sitting in my car doing this one. Let's see if I can zoom in anymore. No, that's about it. I got him on oxygen. They're gonna do his blood pressure. People think that they can just do whatever they want. Humidity's pretty high. It's only 80 degrees, but humidity takes a hell of a lot out of you when you're on a bike. I hope I'm getting the full view of this because I've got nothing but a shine in the back. I'm doing this by hand, leaning against the armrest. My car's running a few days ago. Hopefully they're okay. This kind of stuff normally happens in March when everybody comes down for spring training from up north. They don't realize how hot it is. 30-degree temperatures to 75, 80, 85 with humidity and pass out at baseball fields and stuff. But we're almost in August. So it's a little different. That'll be a short one. I have been watching videos and commenting, but I just haven't had the time to go out and film. Today I was just out down on the beach fishing. Just got done. Just coming back and saw this. Something to do with the guy that was riding a bike. His bike looks electric, so maybe, I don't know, I shouldn't say it. The bike definitely looks electric. It definitely was electric. There was a whole bunch of bikers earlier that were wearing those great lime green shirts. And he does have a bike pump going. I guess he's not that bad if the other lady just took him from him. And the ambulance is here, Sunstar 55. It's county. That fire truck is engine 61 from Dunedin. Not sure where that's at. It's about 2 miles from here. I'll give you a picture of expensive bike he's got. Excuse me for that cough. Day 10 of not smoking, so had to quit. Enough for my daughter's. She's gonna give birth here within the next week. Going up to North Carolina. She doesn't want any smoking in the house, around the house, the smell on me, so I decided I'd quit. Getting out. Don't we? No, no. I don't know if it's a he or a she. Of course, she's gonna go in the ambulance, so somebody's gonna have to deal with that bike. If I still own my truck, I'd get their address and be willing to take it to them, but I traded it in. Now it looks like it's gonna be it because they're gonna go in the ambulance. Hope the guy's okay. So, guys, I'm gonna get out of here this lightning day. It's Tuesday. You have a wonderful day. Hopefully I'll be back soon.